Yeah, good day, guys. This is Chibuzo Aguwa, and you're welcome to Blogging for Tech channel. Are you finding it difficult to withdraw your PayPal funds from your PayPal account down to your Nigerian bank, or maybe you do exchanging rates with people that are giving you rates that are not substantial enough? For example, they'll be giving you values that you can actually get more once you go to the black market or aboki closest to you. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw your PayPal funds from foreign currency down to your bank accounts in Nigeria. Yes, it's a step-by-step video which you need to follow. So all I will advise you is that you should sit tight, grab a popcorn, grab a bottle of Coke, and watch this very video to the end, because I'll be showing you the method step by step which you can use to get your cash and hold it physically. As in your dollars or pounds, you hold it physically here in Nigeria and walk down to any parallel market or black market to exchange it to a rate that is quite enough for you. So grab your seat, just like I said, and sit back. We'll be right back.
You are welcome to Blog Infotech YouTube channel.
So you're welcome back. So like I said from the beginning, Chibuzo Aguwa is my name and Blogging for Tech is the channel. So let me just introduce you what the channel is about if you're a new visitor. But if you're already an old subscriber, you already know what we do. So if you're visiting this channel for the first time, actually Blogging for Tech is a channel that gives you tutorial what we talks about online marketing, making money online, affiliate marketing, and cryptocurrencies, and basically all information technology trends. Yes, we give you tutorials on how you can carry out some function. I call it do it yourself tasks by yourself, even you are not really tech savvy enough. So that is what we do in this channel. So if you want to be part of the family, I will indulge you to hit the subscribe button below this video and also turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I release a video just like this. Automatically you become part of the family. And let's go straight down to the business of this video, which is how to withdraw your PayPal funds or your PayPal money from your PayPal account down to your Nigerian bank account. So let me head straight to my PayPal. So this is my PayPal account. So I'm already logged in. So in order not to make this video lengthy enough, this is just like I said from the beginning, this is a step-by-step video how you can do this, but I've already shot a video previously on the second and third steps involved, yes, of which you shall see practically what I did. Like I said, in this video we are doing it practically so that you get to know that yes, it is practical, the funds are real, and the tasks that we are carrying out are basically real. So this is my PayPal account. I already have 34 pounds, yes, 34.45 pounds. So basically I'll be withdrawing this money down to my Nigerian bank account. I'll make it as simple as that. But like I said from the beginning, it's a step-by-step video. You already know that if you're in Nigerian, you can't we don't actually from our PayPal we can't receive money, yes, but so it simply means that you have to apply or open the foreign PayPal account so that you can carry out this function easily. So you can go ahead and open a foreign PayPal account, and if you've done that and you've received money and you want to withdraw the money down to your Nigerian bank account, this is the step you need to follow. Like I said, it's not just linking the money or the funds to a card whereby you now walk to an ATM right here in Nigeria to withdraw it. You will have to transfer this money to your domiciliary bank account in Nigeria, and you withdraw the cash physically. You hold it in your hand and go to any black market closest to you. So I will advise you to follow the step that I will be doing in this video. Yes, from this step, after we do this video, you have to check the previous video which I did in order to carry out the step 2, and the step 3 I'll show you in the video also. So let's go ahead. So now this is my PayPal account. I'm already logged in. So like I said, I'm withdrawing this money. So the next thing you do from here, you'll see transfer money. This is the equivalent in USD dollars, which is $48. So actually this is a UK PayPal account, so the money, my balance is always in pound sterling, so I'm withdrawing it in pound sterling. So now the first thing you will do, you click on transfer, and like I said, these steps also work even if you are not okay. Nigeria is the only country that is affected, so this video is basically for us. So I've been logged out, I need to log in again because that the account has been open for long. So I will need to log in again. Check. I miss my passwords. So transfer money, continue. So now you now choose withdraw money from your PayPal to your bank account. Yes, that's the one I've selected. So before now, I've already linked my Payoneer account, both the MasterCard and also the bank accounts, to my PayPal. Like I said, you can't withdraw money directly to a Nigerian bank, but just follow this step that I'll be showing you in order for you to achieve that. So let me withdraw this funds to my Payoneer account first of all. If you've not added a bank account, you need to do that. So you say next. So the equivalent is in pounds. So withdraw 34.45 pounds. That's the notification I'm getting, and that's the money I'm actually withdrawing because I'm withdrawing all. So I click on withdraw. Process is ongoing. It's ongoing. So we review your withdrawal. Yes, 34.45 transferred. Now you notice, let me go back to my PayPal account, and you will see that the money is gone. Like I said, I'm doing this video practically for you to see, so you can see the balance is now 0 naira. Let us go back to the dashboard. So now you see what I'm talking about. The balance is now 0 naira, which means automatically I've withdrew that amount of money down to my Payoneer account. Now that's the first step if you want to withdraw to your Nigerian bank account. Now the second step, once the money arrives into your Payoneer account, you can easily withdraw that money to your domiciliary accounts right here in Nigeria, and you now go to your bank and withdraw the cash physically in order to take it to a parallel market or bureau de change or an aboki, like we normally call it, right here, and change your money from dollars to naira. And you discover that if you follow this process, you actually have a huge amount of naira. For example, the current exchange rate of naira to dollar from the black market is actually between the range of 560 to 570. So you discover that that's enough money for you instead of using an exchanger or a PayPal exchanger that will give you a rate of 500 naira. So follow this step. That's the step one. If you want to watch the step 2 and also the final step, I'll drop the link of my previous video in the description of this video. So after watching this video, I will advise you to click on the link and follow the next steps in order to withdraw your bank account, because I said this video is going to be a short one. I don't want to waste your time. So this is the step 1 we did. I've already created a video that talked about the step 2 and also showing you the final step whereby I received the money in my bank account. It's a YouTube short video, so go to the description of the video and watch the step 2 and also the confirmation steps, which I call the step 3. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. So like I said from the beginning, in order for you to be part of the family, you can easily hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I release the video, just like this. So Chibuzo Agua remains my name. All I will say is anticipate for the next video, which shall be beneficial to you. So we'll see you again. Bye bye for now.